boy DJ D-Len. We're here at the car show here in Lincoln Park. The O.G Sosa Entertainment. Plus, put my car in the show too, so let's go check it out. There's a lot of rides here. Let's go have some fun. Let's go get it.
I love my city. Bitch, I love my city. Sun City, my city. Bitch, I love my city. Yeah, I love my city. El Paso, Texas, my city.
Check it out. This time they didn't do the car show on the grass. They did it on the streets now. So it's a little different this year. But it's still a good turnout, so let's go check it out. We got a lot of people here supporting. We got some El Paso local artists here too also. As you can see, it's a good turnout. A lot of people are here posted up, showing support and love. Got a bunch of lowriders, a bunch of car club members, solo riders. We got it all here. Hey, we're Angie B, local artist here in El Paso, Texas. Say what's up, Angie B. So you see, we got some real talented artists here from El Paso, Texas. So got some youngsters out here doing their thing out here, you know what I'm saying? We got all type of riding. We got motorcycles here in the show. Pretty much everything you see here is all styles, you know what I'm saying? All categories. Man, love right here, you know what I'm saying? Everybody showing love here in El Paso, Texas. Right here, got my ride right here, showing the Iron Man. You already know, because these kind of shows, I always support it. Using 915 streets, you know how we do it. Truck with Lambo doors and shit, look at that. here. Bloody Money, what's it called? Yeah, Blood Money. If I said Bloody Money. Dope ass ride right here. Cadillac it. We even got food trucks here supporting the event. All types of trucks and all that shit. Got the Outlaw Car Club here too, truck club. Different this year. A lot of people are posted up on the streets. We used to do this in the grass, but they stopped at the city, you know, so we have to do it here in the streets. But it looks pretty dope out here in the streets, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no difference. bro. You mind back to court? Yeah. That's crazy, man. That's nice.
Thank you, bro.
Even his switches, it goes up and down? Yeah. Oh, really? That's crazy, man. That's nice. No, se va la comida. Danny G right here. What's up, homeboy? Saludos, chingo. Check out his gear. You got lighters too, bro? Yeah, bro. Light it up. And how can they purchase your stuff? Talk a little something for the video here.
Hey, what's up? I'm Orico here. Hey, come check out my Rich Love clothing line. I just released it today. We're here in Lincoln Park. If you're not here, I don't know what the fuck you're doing, but get your ass up before it ends.
Hell yeah, my G. Appreciate that. Y'all check it out. Which is this side right here?
Yeah.
The right side? Right. I know what you got going on here, my boy.
Right, hey, what's up? We over here tapping in. We're over here in Town right now. I'm with Amorico right now. We came down from the 505. We got a busy fucking month going down. We got Dallas next weekend. We're selling merch. We're meeting all the beautiful people out here. We're meeting my homie's beautiful family. Make sure to keep tuned in, baby.
Appreciate my G. Appreciate my boy. That's what's up, man. Much love here. Check it out, me pegan, como chingas, what's up, that's what's up. I like that, We got the Betty Boop, got the Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse, we got the Hello Kitty, got it all here, guys. Very talented people right here. Got some hoppers from out of towners. Types of people here showing us a lot of support. They love what they see, they love the car they see. That's what's up. People got models here also, posting up, taking photos, pictures. everybody.